This model kit review is of the Sukhoi 2, and it is a 1/48 scale model by Zvezda, made in Russia. I'm not sure if I pronounced that correctly, but those are the colors needed and the dimensions. This actually came with a different box inside that gave it some support, and I've already removed that. Here's a picture of the finished model without paint. And let's have a look inside to see what we have. So here's some parts that are already loose. Let's have a look at all those. So we have our engine, which is actually very nicely molded. It's one of the radial engines with a crankcase. And here's our exhaust. Tremendous amount of detail already. As you can see, it's very well molded. Here we have our bombs, which also are very well molded. Here's this last one. That one is. Here we go for the fuselage parts. Very well molded, crisp, clean. We've got recessed panel and rivet lines. Tremendous amount of detail here on our stabilizer and elevator. I was very impressed to be able to see all this detail here. That takes some really good molding quality and skills. Here's our instrument panel, our wheels. Looks like probably ailerons or flaps here. And here's the inside of the fuselage. This is a very, very well molded model, and I was quite surprised. Here's our pilot figure. Usually you see these horrible mold lines on the side of them. I don't see them. They're small little mold lines, but a fair amount of detail. Here we have our propeller. Lots of extra little pieces to put on for the inside of our cockpit here. Here's our probably part of the cowl, engine cowl, some additional bombs, also part of the engine cowl. Here are our wheel well covers, tremendous amount of detail here, and our spinner. This really was quite impressive to see. And then here's our wheel well, and also a lot of detail here, well molded, nice and clean. And look at that, tremendous detail here. All very well done, crisp and clean. That really, to me, was quite incredible. And here's the lower portion, also tremendous amount of detail. Here are the decals. Decals were unfortunately not as detailed as I thought they were going to be, but we do have some instrument panel. And then here's our canopy, which is nicely molded with some details. This is with our instructions here. So first of all, we have the parts listing here. Lots and lots of parts, and they're all very well molded. Put together the engine, that's already been started. The exhaust, and then fuel rods. And then we put together the bombs, sort of strange order. We do our wheel wells, bombs then go in, and the ailerons are put on, as well as the top of the wheel. And next we put together the canopy, lower portion of the canopy, the fuselage cover. Then inside of the fuselage, fair amount of detail there. And the engine cowling goes together, and the fuselage is put together with the cockpit going onto the top of the wing. Elevator and stabilizer go together, then our instrument panel and air intakes. And we have the gunner, and then our pilots, and then landing gear, wheel well covers, some of the weapons, our propeller, And then our painting and decal guide. So this is a tremendously well-made model kit. It really was exceptional to see all the detail, both in the molding quality, the level of detail for the wheel wells. The only disappointment here is the decals. I know that there must be a lot more detail on that plane.